Hey everyone! Syncing your boat smartwatch with Google Fit is super easy, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So first, make sure you've downloaded the Google Fit app from the Play Store. Open it up and sign in with your Google account and fill in your basic details like height, weight, and date of birth. Now, head to the profile section in the Google Fit app and tap on settings. Scroll down to manage connected apps and check if anything is already connected. Then go back and tap on manage Fit data permissions. Make sure options like store vitals data and store cycles tracking data are turned on. Next, open the Boat Crest app. Go to the More section and find the Google Fit option. Tap Connect and choose the same Google account you use for Google Fit and grant the permissions. And that's it. Your boat smartwatch is now linked with Google Fit. To double check, open the Google Fit app again, go to Settings, Manage Connected Apps, and you should see Boat Crest listed there. Now, all your health data like steps, calories, heart points, and more will automatically sync into Google Fit. Thanks for watching.